Alright guys, we got a few more weeks before we start planting in the high tunnel, but it's getting close and I'm really excited, so let's get started. Alright, so we're in the high tunnel and I've finished pulling up most of the stuff that we had in the first few rows. We had the peppers, eggplant, and then peppers, and then the eggplant, and then I think we had some zucchinis towards the end. So all this has been cleaned out, so I'm getting ready to do little things different this year. We're going to pull up this plastic. And this year I'm going to be planting directly in the soil without these woven fabrics. And still got to clean up the rest of this. Still going to be doing that today. So as you can see here, where I cut, the stalk is still there. And I did that specifically because I really don't want to disturb the soil, since we're going to be doing things differently this year. We have already started planting broccoli, cauliflower, we got tomatoes started, we got pepper started, eggplants, we have lettuce, kale, so a lot of different things. I'm starting some flowers this year, so we're going to be doing things a little bit different this year, and do some companion planting and trying to get a little bit into permaculture. So this is an area that after the season was over, the tomatoes were growing in. The cover crop that I had underneath of the plastic that I had planted before the tomatoes were in the ground. This is the mess that's left over. And excuse me. And as you can see here, I'm trying not to disturb the soil. This is where the tomato was growing. All I'm doing with this is so easy to really pull up. I can really just yank this out of the ground. But again, I'm not trying to disturb the soil. So all I'm going to do is take some scissors. I tried the clippers, but it's so thin, and then the clippers sometimes are, you know, they get stuck. But I mean, they work sometimes. You just got to work with it. So as you can see, I'm just doing that. All right. And then I'm just going to go along and then sweep this up. Who's that little dude? Cute little guy. But you can't stay in here. Why don't you put you in the pull bar or something? Right, buddy? Alright, come on. Alright guys, that's it. And so until the next time, keep doing your thing, keep growing, stay in your heart, and I'll see you next time. Peace!